Hi, let's learn how to order curriculum kits for CAOLA. Today, you will learn what curriculum kits are, how to create your account and submit an order, and finally, learn the answers to our frequently asked questions regarding kits. Let's talk about what curriculum kits are. Curriculum kits are offered for the core courses for grades K through 5. They contain the supplies needed for coursework, such as paint and glue and various other items. They are not a required purchase. Schools can choose to source these items on their own or assist the family in sourcing the items. They are separate from workbook orders. To learn how to order workbooks, please watch our workbook orders video. To order kits, navigate to CAOLAkits.com. If this is your first time ordering kits, click Create Account. Then enter your name, email, and desired password. Once the form is completed, click Create. It will take a day or two for your account to be approved. If it takes longer, please notify CAOLA. Once your account has been approved, return to the site and enter your credentials to log in. Once you've gotten logged in, click Curriculum Kits to place your order. From here, you can indicate the grade level and the amount of kits that you need to order. You can also scroll down and review the supply list for each kit. This will tell you what's contained in the kit and how many of that item are in the kit. Once you've indicated how many you need to order, click Add to Cart. Take a moment to verify that the order in your cart is correct and then enter your school district in order to check out. From here, enter or verify your shipping address. Please note that while your total says $0, you will be billed on your quarterly CAOLA invoice. Then click Continue to Shipping. Continue to Payment. Verify your billing address. And then you can indicate if you would like your information to be saved, and then complete order. You'll receive a confirmation with a confirmation number, and you'll be able to track your order with Shop once you have tracking information sent to you. You will also receive email confirmation of this order and email updates for the order. Now that we've placed our order, let's take some time to review frequently asked questions regarding kits. How long do kits take to ship? Generally, they will ship within 5 days. But during peak times, this may take up to 10 days, so take advantage of kit pre-order windows. How much do kits cost? You should refer to your CAOLA pricing guide to review your kit cost. Are kits available for grades 6 through 12? At this time, kits are only available for grades K through 5. What is in each kit? You can review the supply list at any time on the kit website or in the CAOLA knowledge base. You can also find these directions at any time in the CAOLA knowledge base. Please don't hesitate to reach out to your CAOLA account manager with any questions regarding your kit order.